Hey, snoring is a symptom you really shouldn't ignore. Luckily, with my Sleepy's mouthguard, I don't have to worry about it anymore. In fact, my sleep has never been better. It's super comfortable, and you barely notice it's there. It's so simple to use. Just fit it between your teeth and lips and head on to sleep. And there is no denying the great reviews on the website. Grab 30% off at luadra.com. Sleepies, your solution to snoring.